Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best copper ionizer is probably one of the most effective ways to keep your pool water clean and clear with minimal use of harsh chemicals. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of copper ionizers, exploring their benefits, how they work, and what you should consider before making a purchase. Number 5. Betta Solar Pool Cleaner. This innovative device operates entirely on solar power. It automatically and continuously cleans your pool's surface, removing debris like leaves and dust. The Betta SE features an AquaDynamics design, providing continuous cleaning for up to 30 hours on a single charge. It works efficiently even in cloudy conditions. Recharging is quick and easy, taking only 5 to 6 hours in direct sunlight while it's still cleaning. This ensures minimal downtime for the device. Its patented twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors directly power the propellers. This makes the system reliable and energy efficient in both freshwater and saltwater pools. The large fine mesh debris basket is easy to clean. Simply dock the device, open the cover, and empty the basket without removing it from the pool. The Betta SE is not suitable for round pools under 14 feet if circling occurs, simply restart the unit. For persistent issues, contact Betta customer support. What we like. This solar-powered skimmer cleans your pool continuously, even in cloudy conditions. It features salt chlorine-tolerant motors, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater pools. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and efficient way to keep your pool surface spotless, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I live in a sunny area, and this little robot just floats around all day collecting leaves, bugs, pollen, and other surface debris, no cords, no charging hassles. It cleans constantly and quietly, my pool surface looks clean every time I go outside. The basket is easy to remove and clean. It's surprisingly large and catches both fine and larger debris. Number 4. PoolRX Plus 7.5K to 20K gallons. Tired of dealing with pool algae? This product is designed to eliminate all types of algae, keeping your pool crystal clear. It's a simple solution for a common problem. This product helps reduce the amount of chemicals you need to use in your pool. It makes pool maintenance easier and more cost-effective. You'll spend less time and money on chemicals. Enjoy clean water for up to 6 months with this product. It provides long-lasting protection, so you can relax and enjoy your pool. It's a convenient and effective solution. This product is NSF ANSI 50 certified, ensuring it meets the highest standards. You can trust its quality and effectiveness. It's a reliable choice for your pool. Whether you have a chlorine, salt, UV, or ozone system, this product works seamlessly. It's compatible with various pool systems, offering versatility. It's designed to fit your needs. The new formula now includes 3 active ingredients for enhanced performance. It provides even better results than before. This product is designed to keep your pool clean. What we like. This product eliminates all types of pool algae with a new formula. It also reduces the need for other chemicals, simplifying your pool maintenance. If you want a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution to keep your pool algae-free, you should consider this. What people say. The unit is easy to install. The pool water is crystal clear. The unit is doing a great job keeping the pool clean. Number 3. PROFELIZ 3-inch chlorine tablets for swimming pools. These chlorine tablets come with exclusive protective packaging. Each 5 tablets are tightly wrapped in a plastic box to prevent breakage. This ensures the tablets are safe and easy to handle. Each tablet contains 99% trichloroestriazonitrione, with 90% available chlorine. This powerful formula is designed to keep your pool water clean and clear. This product effectively kills bacteria and stops algae growth. It will keep your pool clean and clear all season long, providing a healthy swimming environment. The tablets provide long-lasting protection, even under direct sunlight. They are designed to dissolve slowly, lasting up to 1 week, saving you time and effort. These 3-inch chlorine tablets are suitable for all swimming pool types. They fit easily into most pool skimmers, floaters, or other chlorinating devices, making them convenient to use. What we like. These chlorine tablets come in exclusive protective packaging to prevent breakage. They effectively kill bacteria and stop algae growth, ensuring a clean pool all season. If you like a convenient and long-lasting solution for sanitizing your pool, this is a great option. What people say. Every 5 tablets are individually sealed in a sturdy plastic box. No broken pieces, no chlorine dust, and dosing is super convenient. Each tablet dissolves slowly and lasts up to a week, even in direct sunlight. Works great in both above-ground and in-ground pools. Compatible with skimmers, feeders, and floaters. Simple dosing, about 1 tablet per 6,500 gallons weekly. Number 2. AquaDoc 32-ounce Copper Pool Algaecide. Tired of battling pool algae? This Algaecide offers a 90-day guarantee, ensuring your pool stays clear. It's the perfect solution to conquer the entire pool season. Introducing the double whammy. This Algaecide is designed to eliminate mustard, green, blue, and black algae. It works effectively in both in-ground and above-ground pools. This unique formula removes and prevents algae for up to 3 months. Unlike other products, it won't foam or stain your pool surfaces. It's a reliable choice for long-lasting results. This Algaecide attacks algae at its core, preventing regrowth. It reduces the need for other chemicals, making your sanitizer more efficient. Think of it as a super Algaecide with lasting power. Experience the AquaDoc difference. All pool chemicals are proudly made in the USA and held to the highest quality standards. Choose this product for a clean and clear pool. What we like. This Algaecide offers a 90-day guarantee against algae, giving you peace of mind. It's non-foaming and non-staining, so it won't affect your pool's appearance. If you have persistent algae problems and want to reduce the amount of chemicals you use, this product is ideal. What people say. This product works and it works well. Works as described and lasted well over 90 days. I use this in my pool all summer and it's crystal clear. I put more in at opening then use a smaller dose once a week. Number 1. Copper Anode Replacement Kit for Solar Pool. Introducing the Universal Copper Anode Replacement Kit, suitable for most brands. This kit ensures your solar pool cleaner functions at its best, providing a reliable and efficient cleaning experience. Made from strong copper, this replacement kit is built to last. It offers a longer service life and higher reliability, ensuring it can withstand the test of time and provide consistent performance. The copper anodes are 4.13 inches long with a diameter of 0.71 inches, and M6 screw size. Please confirm the product size before purchasing. This size is designed to fit perfectly into your solar pool cleaner. This copper anode replacement kit is a cost-effective solution for maintaining your pool. It helps you save money while ensuring your pool remains clean and clear. The package includes 2 copper anodes, a threaded basket, a coil spring, and 2 wing screws. Everything you need for a quick and easy replacement is included. With this kit, replacing your old anodes is a breeze. The components are designed for easy installation, so you can quickly get your pool cleaner back up and running. What we like. This replacement kit is designed to fit most brands, offering a cost-effective solution. The copper anodes are made of strong copper material, ensuring a longer service life. If you are looking for an easy and affordable way to maintain your pool's cleanliness, this is a great choice. What people say. I have a 21-foot above-ground pool. This absolutely works. I wasn't adding near as many chemicals to my pool. Works great. Been using for 3 pool seasons, no algae. 24,000-gallon in-ground pool. Perfect fit for my CopperFlow solar ionizer. Anyone with a pool should have an ionizer. Never worry about algae outbreaks in your pool again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.